Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the newest launch by NEUD, which is their carrot seed repair cream. So this cream right here is specifically meant for people who have like very dry and sensitive skin type, or if you're someone who has like a damaged skin barrier, or if it's like prone to dermatitis, then this cream is specially formulated for that. It also contains shea butter, almond oil, aloe vera gel, vitamin E as well as glycerine, which helps to deeply repair as well as hydrate your dry skin type. Oleic acid and geraniol in carrot seed ease off skin inflammation and inhibit enzymes that cause dermatitis. This cream is also enriched with carotenes, carotenoids and vitamin A that are essential for youthful, healthy facial skin. And the potent antioxidants also prevent skin cell damage caused by the free radicals, UV radiation and pollution. This carrot seed repair cream is naturally pH balanced and also helps to prevent wrinkles visibly. So it comes in this kind of beautiful cardboard box like you can see here, which also has like a magnetic closure, and when you open it, this is how the product looks like. So the product itself comes in this beautiful green colored glass container like you can see here, and when you open it, there is also a stopper inside, and when you open the lid like this is the actual product. So the fragrance of this product is also really amazing and very soothing, and the texture itself is very creamy and very nourishing, and when you apply it on your skin, it gets easily absorbed like pretty quickly, and thus leaving your skin very well nourished and moisturized. Also the fragrance of this cream is very soothing, which just feels so relaxing. So I would highly recommend, even if you have like very dry, sensitive, damaged skin type, then I would highly recommend please do give this cream a try. So this cream retails only for ₹800 and इसका डायरेक्ट लिंक मैंने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है. तो अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है ये प्रोडक्ट को खरीदने में, देन आप डायरेक्टली वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स के लिंक को क्लिक करके उसको परचेज कर सकते हैं. सो या दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो गाइज. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया और हेल्पफुल लगा. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे देन प्लीज़ गिव इट अ बिग थम्स अप, एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज़ do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I shall see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.